Hi, come cook with me. I'm Stella V. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. You're so inspirational. I love all your comments. Click that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We'd love to hear from you. Today we're preparing one of my favorite easy dishes in the Instant Pot, shrimp Thai curry. This is colorful, flavorful. I can't wait to try it. That is as good or better than any restaurant meal you'll ever try. This is a red Thai curry, and you can have it on its own, over rice, or over noodles. A few simple ingredients, and you've got a delicious meal. The main flavor profiles for this dish are coconut milk and a red Thai curry paste. It's really simple to find this at any grocery store. I would never even attempt to make it myself. It's really easy, adds the authentic flavor. We're going to start by hitting that saute button, adding a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use peanut oil, but I would blend it with olive oil or vegetable oil, as peanut oil has a very high burn point. To this, we'll start with our basic flavor profile, adding chopped onions, celery, and carrots. We'll give it a stir and have it cook down for about 3 or 4 minutes until the onions are translucent. We have been so fortunate to spend our winter here in Ajijic, Mexico, and this is coming to the end of our journey here, so this will be our last cooking session from Mexico. We'll soon be back in Canada, so be sure to subscribe. You'll be alerted to all our new upcoming videos. We're just waiting another minute or two before we add some freshly grated ginger and garlic and our Thai red curry sauce. A couple of teaspoons of grated garlic and a teaspoon of grated ginger. I like my curry a little bit spicier, so I've got 2 tablespoons of Thai curry sauce, but you could cut that down to 1 if you like it a little milder. I'm giving it a good stir to spread that curry paste around, and I now have half a cup of chicken stock, and I'll use that to deglaze the pot. The ginger, the garlic, the Thai curry sauce, you can really smell it. The aroma is wonderful. Now I'm putting in the sweet potatoes. And 2 cups of coconut milk. That could not be simpler. I'm going to cancel the saute function. We'll put the lid on and set it to 4 minutes pressure cooking. Make sure we set it to the sealing position, and we'll add 4 minutes to the cook time. The 4-minute countdown is over. I'm just waiting a minute or two before I finally release the rest of the pressure. And now we're ready for the last few steps. This Thai curry is so fragrant that it just hits you as soon as you take that lid off, and you just can't wait to try it. And now we're adding the shrimp. Shrimp is such a delicate seafood that we don't need to cook it under pressure. We simply have to add it to the pot right now, and in a minute or two it'll turn that beautiful pink color. Today I'm showing you how to add shrimp to the Thai curry, but you can make this dish using any white, firm fish, or you can even use chicken. If you're using chicken, add it to the pressure cook stage. The shrimp are perfectly cooked. They're juicy and moist. The sweet potato adds a beautiful flavor. The coconut, the Thai curry paste, it is just an absolute wonderful symphony of flavor. My favorite garnishes, a few cilantro leaves, mint leaves. You can also use Thai basil if you have, and some chopped peanuts. Colorful, flavorful. I can't wait to try it. That is as good or better than any restaurant meal you'll ever try. If you want this recipe, look in the description. There's a safe link. Send us your email and we'll send you a recipe. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. I love all your comments, and click that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you're watching on a smartphone or a smart tablet, here's the next video you'll want to see. Leave a comment, tell me that you subscribed, and I'll reply.